Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Audi Motorhome redefines luxury RVs. Audi's trademark design language, high-performance engineering, and next-generation smart technology make this motorhome a mobile lifestyle statement. The Audi Motorhome offers a luxury experience beyond the usual camper van, whether you're traveling abroad or on vacation. Performance/powertrain. In contrast to ordinary RVs, the 2026 Audi model has a fully electric or mild hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain. E-Quattro all-wheel drive enables smooth driving on highways, mountain roads, and rugged terrain. Electric range, capable of 400 miles per charge, fast charging available. Hybrid version, over 800 miles range with solar-assisted electricity and regenerative braking. T-Drive. Feel smooth, quiet, and steady, like a premium SUV rather than a large RV. Audi's RV boasts adjustable air suspension for a smooth ride that adjusts to terrain and load. The exterior design is sleek, aerodynamic, and futuristic, distinctly Audi. Its sleek body lines, LED matrix headlamps, and single-frame grille make it contemporary yet appealing. Large panoramic windows and hidden slide-outs make driving to living easy. Top features include 22-inch alloy wheels, retractable awnings, solar panel roof integration, and a 360-degree rear camera mirror system. Interior, comfort, a magnificent suite-like cabin greets you inside. Audi motorhomes feel more like luxury apartments than campers, featuring fine leather, Alcantara, ambient LED lighting, and sustainably sourced wood accents. Living area, swiveling captain's chairs, reclining sofa, 55-inch OLED smart TV. Kitchen, induction cooktop, smart fridge, convection oven, wine cooler. Bedroom, queen-size bed with memory foam, skylight, and smart blinds. Bathroom, walk-in rain shower, heated floors, automatic toilet, bidet. Modular and intuitive, Audi's MMI touch response system or voice assistant controls all cabin functions and surfaces expand or retract automatically. Tech and connectivity. As an Audi, it has the latest automotive and home tech. 5G Wi-Fi hotspot, AI-powered travel assistant with real-time route optimization, smart climate zones with air purifiers, AR windshield for navigation and hazard alerts. Audi's mobile app integration for remote management, safety features. Audi's RV-compatible ADAS includes adaptive cruise assist for lane centering, 360-degree camera with trailer assist, emergency braking with pedestrian cyclist detection, driver tiredness monitor, off-road to terrain safety sensors. Pros: exceptional luxury and build quality. Advanced electric, chock hybrid powertrain possibilities, leading-edge technology and connectivity, quiet, stable driving, functional home amenities with premium finishes. Cons: high cost, limited charging infrastructure for full electric model, regional. Large size may be difficult in confined spaces. Verdict: a luxury lifestyle on wheels. The 2026 Audi Motorhome is more than transportation. German engineering and 5-star hotel comfort make it ideal for tech-savvy or luxury adventures. Audi's RV is unequaled for luxury mobile travel if you can afford it.